everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm Rebecca and I'm so happy to have y'all here today. Today we're here to see what's new and what's in restocked at your local Dollar Tree. We live in the DFW area. I went to 4 stores so far this week, combined all the pictures into one video and organized them by section. So let's go shopping and see what's new in the apparel and accessory. More of those novelty crew socks. They now have all the SpongeBob characters, very bright and vibrant. They're actually really nice. They also had this new pair with Patrick wearing some swim trunks. There's also the Scooby-Doo socks with like the mystery van. They've got the Pop Tarts. This is a new one. They've had a couple different versions out. This is a new one that they just put out recently. I also found one that had the Cars movie. There's Lightning McQueen. Also the Deadpool socks. And then one of my favorite pairs this week were the Miss Piggy socks. I was hoping to find Kermit too, but they didn't have them, at least not at the stores that I went to this week, but I thought that was really cute. Then they had the Coca-Cola socks also this week. Then I found more of these cosmetic bags. If you guys haven't seen these yet, these are a really nice bag. They're extra large. They're bigger than like a lunch sack style that they sell sometimes. They're a faux leather. They're nice and thick. They all have a gold zipper around them and they're easily wiped off and kept clean because of the material they're made out of. Over in arts and crafts, they have a bunch of their iron-on vinyl in the 12 by 12 sheets. I personally like the iron-on vinyl. Some people don't like it. I think it works really well and it holds up well in the washing machine. That's just my personal opinion, but we also have some new ribbon and deco mesh out. They have these 8 count packs of these felt sheets by Crafter's Square, and they're like an 8.5 by 11 sheet. They're pretty large. You can get several different colors. There's like blue, green, orange, pink in that pack. They have the large wood square DIY signs, the wood planks in the 6 pack that are the 4 by 4. They also have the rectangle pieces out. You get 6 of those and the DIY dice. I love these craft boxes. You get 9 pieces inside. They're these little containers with lids. You can organize your like gemstones and diamond dots and things like that. They also have these do-it-yourself candles. These are similar to the ones they've had out before. They just have new packaging. You get 4 packs of the crystals, and there's 4 different scents for each packet. It also has the wick and a jar. Then they had some new yarn at Crafter's Square. These are the smaller skeins of yarn that they have out. They're all pastel colors. There's like dark blue, and then the rest are the pastels. They had a light yellow, pink, a very pale purple, and I know you guys like to see the tag, so I did take a picture of that for you guys. I try to be mindful of the questions you guys ask in your request. So this one says it is 90% polyester, 10% acrylic, and you get they want you to use the 5 millimeter knitting needle or the 6 millimeter crochet needle. The baby and toddler gear, they had a bunch of these Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse pacifiers. And what's nice about these is they also come with that plastic cover to help keep it clean in like the diaper bag and things like that after you clean it. Then they had a bunch of these lunch sacks. So I'm showing both of them because you get 2 in a pack. They had Spider-Man. They also had the Disney Princess, Minnie Mouse, super cute. They had 2 of the Paw Patrol. And again, you get 2 for the $1.25. They had Gabby's Dollhouse. They also had the Minions. And then there was Mickey Mouse. So here's the first bag. And then here's the second one. I had to flip that one over to take the picture because most of those were gone already. Over in the health and beauty section, we're going to look at what's new for like cosmetics. We'll also see what's new for hair care and hair accessories and the pharmacy and personal care. That'll all be in this section here. So we have these Sassy Chic makeup brushes. There's also the Princessa Beauty Care brush set that you can get for the $1.25, or the eyelash curler with the tweezer set. Sassy Chic has 2 different boxes of these nail art tools. There's like the dotting tool and the mini brushes. The other one has 3 different brushes. There's these blender sponges and the 11 count pack. This one has 7, or you can get this one here. It has 3 different sized beauty blenders. Those are nice. They make great stocking stuffers for teenagers or go great in a gift basket. You can also get the pyramid shaped boxes. They had these out last year in the purple, pink, or green, and you get 3 different sizes of the beauty blenders there. Also, I found these jeweled collection press-on nails. They're so pretty. They have really a huge selection of nails at the Dollar Tree. I'm always shocked how nice some of these nails are, and they actually stay on really well. My daughter wears them, and she wears them to work. They don't come off. I think she can get like a whole week out of wearing them. They're pretty impressive. I think that they work really well, and she works in retail, so that's saying a lot. They had some really fun new hair accessories. I love the hearts. They have the bobby pin and the barrette. Then we have a bunch of gemstone bobby pins and barrettes with some pearls and gold finish. Here's a back of that barrette so you can see what the closure looks like. They also had this one, the rectangle with the rhinestones, pearls, and gold, has the same backing on it. This one was a little bit more of like silver with the pearls, but then when you flip it over, it still has the same gold backing. And those closures are always super nice. They definitely grab the hair pretty well. There was this gold snap clip and some new jaw clip. They call them jaw clips. I've always called them claw clips. That's what I'm a hairdresser. That's what we call them. So I'm not sure why they always call them jaw clips on the tag, but that's what they call them. There's a lot of versions of those out. They have some scrunchy hair accessories with the pearls, and then we have the sassy chic wooden foot file. There's also these cactus soothing low pH cleansing gel. Um, I actually looked this up to see because I know I've seen these at other stores, like retail stores. So I looked them up on Walmart.com. Right now, the same size bottle is $8.99. Then I found the Spa Luxury Hydrating Hand Cream in Raspberry Mimosa and Peach Bellini scent. The shower steamers by Be Pure, they have the lavender and cherry blossom scent. You get two in a pack. The pinkberry scented bath fizzers, they look like little rosettes. I believe you get six in that bag for the $1.25. Also, we have these bath bombs that look like cupcakes. I found the pink one is cupcake scented, and the blue kind of purple one is vanilla scented. Then for the fun finds, which are items you'll usually find closer to the register, they have a bunch of these Avengers one pack wall tossers, like a wall walker. I guess they're sticky and they'll walk up and down the wall. They had Iron Man, Incredible Hulk, and Spider Man. They also had some fun novelty pens that look like sushi and french fries with the polymer clay topper. They had the coffee cup and a hot dog. Also, I found these fun packs of puffy stickers. It kind of remind me of stickers from when I was a kid. They have the puffy stickers in the Dorito brand. Also, they have their sensory squishy balls in two different color schemes. So now we'll look at see what's new over in the home decor. They had tons of picture frames this week, which they usually do stock up around Christmas time. But come Mother's Day, they're like hardly there. So if you need some now for Mother's Day, maybe plan ahead and check those out because they have some really nice ones out right now, especially these glass ones that curve for just $1.25. It's almost unheard of. They hold a 4x6 photo and they're really nice. They also have some really pretty candles out this week. They had the blue, purple, and pink, which are Malibu Lagoon, the lilac, and dragon fruit scented. There are 3-ounce candles in these glass jars with the gold lids. Over in the office supply, home library, and teaching tree section, lots of labels. They had a whole bunch of labels out this week. It's been a while since they've had them. I kind of like the neutral ones. I feel like you could use those as gift tags for Christmas, and some of the colorful ones would match a lot of those like Christmas wrap with like Disney Princess and things like that. And they're so much larger, so much more room to write on than those Christmas gift tags they sell. I don't know what they think when they make those sometimes. But they also had these novelty pens, which are super cute, and the office organizer, desk sets in the rose gold and yellow gold. They have the mail organizers and some pen cups. They also had the tape dispensers in both color schemes. Those always sell out really quickly around here. And the housewares, home maintenance, storage, organization, electronics, kind of all will be in this section here. They had the solar power crackle lights restocked. They also had the stain remover on the go with the wipes. I really like this product. My kids like it. They work really well. Also, I found this luxury carpet refresher. It says it's a luxury odor eliminator for carpets and rugs in the Island Breeze scent. This is a dishwasher freshener, lasts up to 60 cycles. And then the Total Clean High Tech cleaning compound and gunk getter. That's to clean like keyboards and your dashboard in your car. Get a bunch of these bath mats and the Tank Bond thread stopper. That's usually pretty expensive. So I'm surprised it's just $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Also, in the kitchen and pantry this week, they have a whole bunch of like small packs of things that you could use to make a gift basket. They had a bunch of these pretzels. Usually they have like one or two different flavors. This week they have just like maybe five or six. Like there was a lot. They had like the garlic parmesan. There was the everything bagel seasoning, honey, mustard, and like I think like sour cream and onion. They also had a bunch of bags of like fancy caramel corn and pecans and things like that. So you could tell they're really gearing up to bring back a lot of those little items to make the gift baskets. They had some healthy choice soup for the $1.25. Also, some of the Pacific Foods Thai sweet potato soup, and they had these fun bowls. So they had the Lilo and Stitch bowls. You can get two different bowls for just $1.25. They're larger size, like a cereal bowl. And then you can get Mickey Mouse. They had Mickey and Minnie Mouse. This one's so cute. They are made out of melamine. They're dishwasher safe for the top rack only. And you can see this is the second one for the Mickey Mouse bowl. And the party supplies, they had these fun headbands with the glitter sparkle. You could get them in white, pink, purple, or blue. They had a ton of extra large bows. Like usually, the bows aren't all that big, but these are like literally, if I spread my hand out, they're the size of my hand spread open. So they're pretty large. They had a bunch of different colors, and you can get the really big traditional bows also. These are those extra large bows that they carry from time to time. I also found this sash. It says it's my birthday in the white and gold. And then they had the pink and gold, and that one says birthday queen. Here's a close up so you can see the coloring. For the pet care this week, I found a few items to share with you. They have these large bowls in some neutral colors. They have the tan, a very light pink. They also had gray. And then they had the smaller bowls, which are made out of like a metal. This one is blue. And then the inside of the bowl is white. They also had this very soft mint green. They're really pretty. They have this rubber thing around the base so it doesn't slide if your pet bumps into it. They also just had the all metal bowls with the paw print or the fish on the outside. This one's painted on the outside, but the inside it is silver and has a whole bunch of like little dog bones on it. It was cute. They're definitely for the smaller dogs. They had the pet wipes, which are really nice. Actually use these for my cats. And then over in the seasonal section, they have these scarves. There is the plaid. They have one with Christmas trees. There's also the gingerbread men, and there's like candy canes and hot cocoa and things on that one. Some candy canes and cookies. They also have one that has the Christmas gnomes and some sleds, and that's what they all look like hanging kind of down on an end cap. They had the wreath formed, it looks like a candy cane, and then the tea light candle holders, the stars, and then they had some candles with the stars on them. They had red, green, and white. You could also get the tea light candle holders, or the tea light candles that look like stars in the Christmas colors. They had gold, silver, red, and green. Those are the two pack. It says it has a flickering effect. Then they brought back these ornaments. I know these were really popular last year. I've only seen these at two stores this year. They keep restocking them, but only two stores so far have had them. They also had these Mary signs for the yard. You really wouldn't want to get them wet, though. I don't think they would hold up that well in the weather. Also, some gift boxes, lots of different gift boxes this week. They had a bunch of round ones with the lids. They had the treat bags. I'll just show you guys a few of what they had as far as like gift boxes and bags and things. I don't want to bore you guys, but I just want to give you guys a few ideas of the different options that are out. I find that these 10-pack gift bags are really nice for like office gifts, or if you have kids that play on like a sports team or anything like that, it's always good for like gift sacks. They have the gnome items in, lots of stockings. They have the picks. They also had the ornaments that are the gnomes this week. This is the first time I've seen the gnomes the ornaments this week. Usually they, like last year, they had tons of them. They have the large, like I think they're 10-inch gnomes that sit on a shelf, a couple different color schemes with different hats. And then they had these cute welcome signs. Also, some wine glasses with the gnomes, these fun little pails with the reindeer, the fox, and a snowman all dressed up for winter. Super cute. They didn't have these in the front of the store though. They had them back by the party supplies. They also have their elves. And if you check around, they have them in a bunch of different, I think like 3 or 4 different skin tones, which is nice. There's also the stocking hangers and the toys and games section. We have some fun paint your own sun catchers. There's the 2-pack of Spider-Man. They have the Disney Princess with Belle and the Little Mermaid, the Lilo and Stitch. And then some more Spider-Man. These are a little bit different than the other pack that we just saw. They have Jurassic World with the dinosaurs and Buzz Lightyear. They have the Little Mermaid and Moana. And these are really fun. These are paint your own window art. They're like window clings. It says it makes 8. So they're like the peel and stick window clings that you can buy, and you just paint them yourself. It comes with the paint, 8 different window clings, and a paintbrush, and it shows you all the different window clings on the back. They also had one that was Minnie Mouse. Tons of Hot Wheels Matchbox cars. Those have been restocked like crazy. They have just boxes and boxes of them. The Indiana Jones one, there's one out of every box. I think that would be probably the special one. The dinosaur dart blasters are cute. They have them in the blue or green dinosaur. Now for the Dollar Tree Plus section, which can be anywhere from like $1.50 to the highest price I've seen so far is $20, which was for their largest Christmas tree. So they had these fun candles. They also have this sign that says Believe for $5. It's 22 by 7.5 inches, so it's quite large. They also had one that said Mary, and then the white one with the different colors that says Jingle. They have this tabletop sign that says Peace on Earth. And then for $3, you can get the Bell napkin rings. There's 4 of them in the pack. They have their leaning signs. There's like Farm Fresh Christmas trees, all roads lead to home, a bunch of welcome signs, home for the holidays, Merry everything. There's also these extra large stuffed animals that look like a boba tea unicorn and a teddy bear. They had a panda bear. Those are all $5. They feel sort of like a squishmallow style stuffy. They had this really cute little duckling and some new slippers. These are the Marilyn Monroe slippers for $5. They have 2 different styles you can choose from, lots of different sizes. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you guys are having a lovely December so far. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe, like, and please share this video. I'd really appreciate it. And here's some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. I hope to see you back here on Friday to see what else is new this week at your local Dollar Tree.